another video of Zach's nature videos. Stop.
He's a really bad driver.
Nate, shut up.
Hey, better than you.
I'm gonna go slow. See, Joe, he's a way better driver than you. He actually follows the rules. Yeah, but Giacomo's better than John. John doesn't even like do anything.
What? On the hill?
Look at that tree. Look at that tree. It's like, yeah, right over there.
No, throw it up.
Look at the pole. Look at the pole. Look at the pole.
Spin it, okay? Spin it.
Okay. No, I'll drop it like this so it bounces.
Give it the back wheels will hit it. So throw it.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna like, yeah. Alright, keep going. Keep going.
Everyone just slow down.
Yeah, alright.
Right up there at that hill.
Yeah, right there.
Oh no! It's going bumpy!
Oh, good God Almighty! Good God Almighty! Oh, good God Almighty! Camera! Camera is okay. Holy shit!
Holy shit! Wow! That chunks!
Yeah, not for rest of you, sir. Run! A sucker run! A sucker run! A sucker run! My milkshake ring of the bus, yeah, damn right, it's better than yours, damn right, it's better than yours. Jillian, shut the hell up!
Oh, jeez, my eye. Okay, go for your and I turn right here.
This is where we leave my little sister on a crap. Alright, and I just go through here.
And I'm gonna make that turn.
No, just keep going straight.
Oh, thanks.
It's longer.
Can I try though if I know where it is?
Just keep going straight, it's longer. It'll make it more of a ride. Nate, shut up!
I'm right here. Right now, right here.
No, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Go fast this way.
Don't go super fast. Slow down, slow down.
Oh, four-wheel drive, not sweet.
Turn right after this cone. Like, turn right through here, right through here. There you go.
First time, right?
Yeah, make sure you go slowly. What, Nate? Cool.
Oh. Should have just drove this in the restaurant. Oh, crazy stop.
Keep going, keep going. Like, go close, go close. Go close. Go close. Go close. Turn right, turn left. Turn left, go! Go!
Going up here and turning where we were earlier?
Yeah, just keep going. But don't come through my grandma's house because I think she's trying to save time. She tries to go to bed early since she's old.
Okay, then where do I go? Through this here?
Yeah, just go through the path again. Fire pit. I love how in this nature video I haven't even been talking about nature.
The best part.
It's more like your asshole.
Oh, here we go. Oh, geez, look at how you're sitting.
It's more like Butthead and Beavis. Beavis and Butthead, whatever. Hey, stop. Alright, just keep driving. Then turn left over. Like, yeah, like go through. Like keep going through. Yeah. Graham's house. Let me see it from here. Make sure you go slow though. Go slow, go slow, go slow. Cool.
You always had.
Oh yeah, you found him? Cool, don't go through the grass.
Get away from those stakes.
No, don't go through this yard, don't go through here.
Can I go turn around and do it again one last time? Please?
No, go through here. Okay, or if you can make it, There you go. There you go.
I turn around now and do it
No,
again.
just go through your yard. Just go run right through your yard now. Giant bee's nest up there.
Awesome driving.
Alright, fire pit. Alright, I gotta start getting to this nature trap. Drive slow, slow, slow.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Tree. Grass. Ugh.
Guys, I found it.
Camera again.
Hold on a minute.
Buy biscuits. Run. Slow it down. Guys, go slow.
Don't hit the
Dude, go slow. Seriously.
I'm driving.
Slow and then park it. Balloon. Balloon. Do you know what a really serious person says when they're taking a shit? They say, shit's going down. See ya.